This is a Damen Fast Ferry 4212. Since 2018, she's been ferrying countless passengers in Asia and Europe, but now she's heading to a second life in Guadeloupe. The vessel was acquired by FRS Express des Îles and renamed the Topaze Express. To prepare her for the Caribbean, she was returned to Damen, where significant changes were needed. Oscar van Wees and his team led the transformation.
The main challenge was to meet the French flag regulations. Means that we had to create a new crew room on board of the vessel, and next to that it was important to find sufficient aluminium welders, and we had a very tight delivery schedule. The vessel underwent a complete rebranding, so the black and yellow hull was completely repainted into the new FRS signature, which is white and red. Next to that, a new recreation area was created on board of the vessel, and last but not least, there was an electrical upgrade needed to ensure that all the passengers get the right information, that's the navigation information and the safety information, into their own language.
To meet French flag standards, the team added electric ramps, a cargo boom and a new fire door. The interior was also upgraded with accessible toilets and a new seating layout.
The end result was a vessel ready for safe, reliable operations in Guadeloupe.
Since Damen is not just a shipbuilder, but a maritime solutions provider, support will continue with full lifecycle services, from maintenance to crew training. This way, Topaze Express can keep connecting communities for many years to come.